बढ़िया.
Can we talk now? I was just waiting for your SMS. आपकी मैसेज की वेट ही कर रहा था मैं.
You are calling from Domino's.
Yeah, Domino's.
What's your name and what's your post and from which region you are calling?
Okay, so my name is Jaspreet and I had business for Haryana.
Okay. So Jaspreet,
जी.
I think you must have get some idea about my grievance.
No, I got the complaint yesterday only. मुझे पता चल गया था कल ही. And since it was late in the night, I thought कि मैं आपसे morning में बात करता हूँ. So
Actually,
that's
what
why I
was the
didn't.
issue that I visited the Domino's Pizza Corner in Kathal district, Haryana, in Padma City Mall on 15th February 2020. There I
Yeah.
ordered a veg loaded pizza and I was told to pay an amount of rupees 141 rupees 76 paisa, and I paid that amount through Google Pay.
All right.
And my amount got deducted from my bank account. And I was shown a message. Even Google Pay transaction history shows that
I
it
got
has been
your
paid.
text details. Yeah.
Yeah. Then after that, I told the Domino's personnel to deliver my pizza. Okay, give me my pizza. I want to dine in here. So he refused. He said that we have not received the payment because the bill has not been generated, and you have to again make the payment for the same amount so that you can get your pizza.
I'll have
I said that because I am not such a very rich man and I can't pay twice for a pizza, so I want my amount back. They said that no, we can't get back your amount because it will be sent back to you in within 7 days. So okay, I said okay, it happens because even with the government websites and other transactions, these kinds of things happen. So I came to my home and I dropped an email to the Domino's that such and such thing happened, and kindly refund my amount so that and the pizza has also been refused to me. So kindly refund my amount. So a mail came from your side on 21st February 2020, 6 days after the lodging of this email.
Okay.
And in between, I received a link on my email that you kindly fill this link and details about your problem mentioned here. And then we will generate a ticket number, docket number, and they generate it. And on 21st Feb, they said that, okay, we will look into your problem and we will get back to you soon.
Okay.
So after that, I never visited the Domino's branch for this purpose. I was dining in constantly in your the Cathal branch, but never asked for that. But yesterday when I went there, they said that the same thing has happened. 150 rupees, 2 rupees deducted, but they said that we can't give you pizza because your amount has not been reached here. I said them that I said them that earlier also this thing happened in 15th Feb 2020. Kindly check in your system. They said no, we can't check because we are new here. I am a manager, and I think some Jatinder named person said that we can't check right now in system, and you check in your bank statement whether it has been refunded or not. I immediately went to this net banking website of HDFC and generated the last all the transactions history from the net banking, and then I get back to them that see my amount has been deducted, but it has not been returned back.
So, Dr. Saab, I have actually gone through the complaint already. Right, I have all the details you have shared with me also related to the transaction detail. Be rest assured, we are looking into it right now. Right. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be getting it checked through the finance branch with respect to all the commercial details of the transaction. Any which way, in case the transaction is not already reversed or whatever the status is, I just commit that we will have this your money refunded to your account. In case it is stuck with the payment banks, we'll try to get it sorted through Google Pay. In case it is stuck somewhere else and we are not able to trace it, we'll refund your money from Domino's account.
Actually, the matter is not that the matter is not about my money that you will refund me the same amount or whatever amount you want to refund. The matter is that how many other people who being unaware of this thing, they may be asked to pay twice.
I totally understand your point, but then we do not see we are such a large corporate, and then it doesn't generally happen that it happens in banking system that sometimes transaction gets stuck in between.
Yesterday, in front of me, also one of my batchmate from school batchmate came there, Shivangi Grover. She also made a transaction, and her transaction also stuck, and she was also asked to pay the amount again once more time. So I think that this is generally happening in the branch. When in front of me it happened again,
Sir,
then.
I totally understand your concern and what makes you think about this situation. You don't worry about it. I'll have this checked and problem. I'll make sure that your problem is getting rectified. For any situations or any concern, you have my number now. I'm the direct point of contact for you.
Yeah, actually, one more thing I want to bring in your notice that your branch staff is not at all aware that what kind of response they have to give on the counter. They just act like a moron that they don't know anything. They are illiterate. Means no, from a brand, international brand Domino's, we expect that such kind of thing should be dealt at the branch itself. They must guide the customer. In response, they are behaving like a street vendor. They said that no, pizza will be only be given when you will be paying again. So they, instead of this, they could have advised something. They could have done more than that. They could have sent email that they could have made me make a receipt that okay, this is our receipt to you that you have paid it and we will refund that. Such kind of things should be controlled at the branch level.
I'll have this thing checked again, and I'll just assure that the restaurant team is getting trained on that aspect.
Guide these branch because I know that Cathal public is not so much educated and high gentry type people that they will be having much more educated staff expecting educated staff at the Domino's, but some of the people of our district are well known and reputed person. When this type of behavior will be faced, I think that doesn't look
surprising, nice. Sir, actually training is very, very continuous phenomena at Domino's. We train people very, very frequently, but then since you have faced this issue, we'll have people retrain on this.
They lose tempers like that, और जैसे हम रेडी पे खाने जाते हैं ना, जिस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल वहाँ पे होता है, that type of conversation that पैसे दो तभी आपको पिज्जा मिलेगा, नहीं तो भाई आप जाइए सर, आप कहीं मर्जी जाइए, आप कुछ मर्जी कीजिए, और मतलब इस तरह की कुछ मर्जी कीजिए. Yes, I belong to district Cathal. I am by profession a dental surgeon and I have completed my MBA hospital administration. Right now I am working for a social media channel as a journalist because I have done my postgraduate diploma in mass communication and journalism.
All right. What channel do you work for, sir?
This is my 6th channel. Earlier I joined Cathal Breaking TV, which was a local social media channel. Now I am in Sansar Kranti, which has 1.2 million subscribers at Facebook.
Sure.
So this doesn't matter that what I do. Only matters is that Domino's is a very reputed brand.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. So, in case you allow, since your maybe evening snack or dinner got spoiled yesterday, can I get the pizza served back to you at your home address?
No, actually, it sounds very barter
nothing
system
like
type. When I will be satisfied with Domino's and I will be getting back in my mind the reputation of Domino's as it was earlier, I will definitely surely go to this store and I will order my pizza.
No problem. You're always welcome. In case you face any issue, you can call or text me anytime. This is my direct reachable number. My name is Jeffrey. You can save my number.
Actually, the people visit to your store because they want to enjoy their time. They don't go to their store to have a legal trouble that okay, we are going to have a case and have a dispute. Try to.
No, I totally agree, sir. We also strive for best in customer service. We always try to ensure that the people, the guests, whoever is visiting our premises is going out satisfied. But since you have faced this issue, we'll make sure that people are getting retrained on this aspect.
Because I think that things are not being properly reported to you. That what kind of things are happening in your store. From the same hands, their gloves, they are making orders. What is the purpose of them wearing the gloves when they are wearing gloves and then working on the keyboards and they are running the POS machines and then with same hands they are making the duff for the pizza? I think these
I don't know if you have made that observation. I'll have this checked. But then
you can check the CCTVs. You can check the CCTVs.
I'll have this checked. I'm not denying your thing. I'm saying that for each single activity, a separate team member is assigned. For example, to handle dough, to handle food, separate team members are assigned. And to do the cashiering bit, whoever touches the keyboard, it's a separate person who do not handle.
I have seen that because in between making orders, he is taking orders and then pressing the keys of the keyboard. The most infected, I am a doctor, I know the most infected part are the keyboards and mouses because all the people touches with hands.
So normally it should not happen. I will have this checked, sir. No problem.
You should get the CCTV. If you are serious about this, then you must.
We are pretty serious about it, about each customer concern, sir. We will definitely have this checked.
Because as a doctor, I observed this. Other people are maybe not observing that, but that sounds very
this is not
unhealthy.
The protocol, sir. I strongly can tell you in high spirits that this is not the protocol. But since it is your observation, I'll have this checked again. Sure, sir.
Okay, Jasprit. Very nice talking to you. Bye.